Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Farah and I'm going to be filming a highly requested video on my Instagram today. It seems like you all want to see our place, where we live, our apartment, the furniture and all that good stuff, so we're finally going to do that for you today. I'm super excited, but I should probably mention that if you're not familiar with LA apartments, they're so tiny. So it's not going to be a super long video or anything like that, but I'm just going to show you guys kind of how we decorated the place and made it our own. So if that's something you'd like to watch, then keep watching. Alright, so this is what you see when you first enter our apartment. It's an open layout of our tiny living room, our tiny kitchen, and our tiny dining room table. But I definitely like that it's an open concept because it doesn't make the apartment seem as tiny as it really is. And as you can see, we don't really like any color in our house. There's a lot of earthy tones and warm tones, and that's just kind of our vibe. So our couch is from Ashley's Furniture. All the pillows on the sectional are from Home Goods. The little frame above the couches is from Home Goods as well. And that little plant is from IKEA. I definitely feel like getting the pillows is the hardest part of the living room, but I love all the different textures that I chose for the living room, and I'm just obsessed with the pillows here. So this is our TV area. Our TV stand is from Ashley's. The two ottomans are from Pier 1 Import. I absolutely love our coffee table. It is a natural wood. It was from Joss and Maine, I believe that's how you say it. But I'm so obsessed with it because it's not finished wood. And that's what I love about it. This is probably my favorite part of the living room because it's just so me. The side table is from World Market, and then everything that's on top of the table is from, guess where? Home Goods. I love these frames. They're from Pottery Barn, and I'm so obsessed with the thick white framing around the picture. I think it makes it look so classy, and I love the black and white too. The dining room table and chairs are either from Wayfair or West Elm, I just can't remember. The runner is from Crate & Barrel, and the mirror in the back is from Home Goods. And now moving on to the room that I'm always in, which is my kitchen, of course. I love my kitchen though. I love that it's open and I'm able to entertain while I'm in the kitchen. These bar stools are from Home Goods. And I love this picture of us. It's one of my favorite pictures. I had to put it up somewhere in the house. This is another favorite piece in the house. It is a frame with a bunch of amethyst crystals inside. If you're familiar with crystals at all, you would know that the amethyst is a very, very important one for your home, so I had to incorporate it. Here is a closer look at my kitchen and all of my favorite appliances, of course. I have most of them hidden, but I like the pretty ones to be out. This marble tray is from Bed Bath & Beyond. I love this espresso machine. The flavor we always get is the arpeggio. The KitchenAid is super important in my kitchen because I love to bake. And this marble board is actually, it was a housewarming gift, but I absolutely love it because it has our last name on it. This marble utensil holder is from Crate & Barrel, as is this Smeg kettle, which I'm so obsessed with. I had to get something Smeg in my kitchen. This is my view from the kitchen, so I'm able to entertain. So as you can see, a lot of the textures and the colors and the tones around the house are very earthy, and that's always been our favorite theme, is earthy tones and warm tones. And it keeps us at peace, and that's what's important, of course. This is our bathroom. I love the pop of green in here. I think it's so fresh and clean, even though they're fake plants. All of the marble accessories are from Crate & Barrel. The incense is from Costco, and that little plant is from IKEA. Everything on the shelves and on the wall is from Home Goods. Our curtain is from Crate and Barrel, and our towels are from World Market. And that's all. That's it, you guys. I'm not going to show the bedroom just because that's not finished yet, but this is where our laundry room is, and that's the bedroom right there, but we're all done. That is it for our apartment tour. Thank you guys so much for tuning in with me. I know it was a short video, but I hope you guys enjoyed watching it and liked our style. If you did, please give this video a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already because it helps me out a lot. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye!